Hello learners! Today, we're going to uncover the meaning of the word frequently. If you've ever wondered how to express actions that happen often or repeatedly, this is the word for you. Let's explore how to use frequently in sentences to describe common activities. 70% frequently. The word frequently means happening often or repeatedly. It is usually placed before the main verb. Here are some examples to show you how this word is used. They frequently go to the gym to exercise. She frequently checks her email throughout the day. Well done! Now, you've mastered the use of frequently to describe actions that happen often. Remember to place it before the main verb in your sentences to express repetition or frequency. Keep practicing, and soon using frequently will become a breeze. Happy learning!